This is Dr. Sonia. I'm the consultant physician working in SSD hospital. Today let's discuss about hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a condition in which the thyroid gland produces insufficient thyroid hormones, especially T3, which is triiodothyronine, and T4, which is thyroxine. Both these hormones are essential for optimal functioning of the thyroid gland, regulating metabolism, overall body function, and energy production. What are the causes of hypothyroidism? First is Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is an autoimmune disorder, which is the most common cause. Iodine deficiency, which is seen in patients with reduced intake of dietary iodine. Next is any patients who have received any thyroid surgery or post-radiation, which will affect the thyroid functioning. Next is certain medicines like lithium propylthiouracil can also affect the thyroid functioning. Then congenital hypothyroidism, it's seen in birth where there will be underdeveloped thyroid gland. Now, what are the symptoms which is seen in patients with hypothyroidism? They'll have mostly fatigue, then constipation will be there, intolerance to cold, dry hair, brittle nails, then heart rate will be low, then they'll also have hoarseness of voice. How do you diagnose hypothyroidism? Diagnosis is made basically by thyroid functioning test, where thyroid stimulating hormone is tested and that will be elevated in patients with primary hypothyroidism. And free T4 will be low in patients with hypothyroidism. And you should also check for thyroid antibodies, especially if you're suspecting autoimmune disorders like Hashimoto's thyroiditis. And certain foods can also interfere the thyroid functioning, and also the thyroid medications can be interfered. These foods include goitrogenic foods. Goitrogen are substances which will interfere with the thyroid hormone production, especially when there is iodine deficient diet is seen.